So are you ready for some science?
Yes.
So we will first start over here. Do you know how clouds are formed?
Well, it's to do with evaporation. Oh, Simon, it's true!
Okay, so we will make a cloud here at Palladium. So you will take this bucket like this.
Yes.
And we're going to put it in the liquid nitrogen. 1, 2, 3, go!
Oh, that's cold up my legs, that.
And now we're going to do something called elephant's toothpaste.
Yeah, we all know elephant's toothpaste, don't we? Yeah.
This is hydrogen peroxide, the oxygen molecule. And here we have potassium iodide. Put it in, all in one.